Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla!
Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla day here again. More things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Manners and respect, you see? Alright, now first things first, I am going to present a video to you that had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video be recorded. The video shows when a man was being arrested or detained by the police from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, the man is said to be a motorist, and if you look and listen to the video carefully, you might get an understanding as to why the man was being arrested or detained by the police from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. See, you might be surprised to see and hear certain things in this video, viewers and subscribers. I mean, the video shows a confrontation between the police and the man, viewers and subscribers. The police held on to the man, and there was some form of exchange of words between the man and the police, and then at some point the man complied with the police, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and based on some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video, I would like you to tell me what you think. You can tell me who you think was right from who you think was wrong, and you can tell me what you think overall about the situation that you can see in the video. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's a video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Here it is.
Why are you doing me that? I am on the phone.
Resisting you get to. So come and go peacefully in San Fernando.
There you go.
No. You dictated my best.
But you get to know like that.
You have enough time.
Enough time. I was on the phone.
Yes, I just have
Man, do nothing,
This is the taxi stand here, we right on the stand here.
Madness, boy. Madness. This is stand here, boy.
Yeah.
Madness. This is madness.
Refusing a police officer in uniform.
I never done that.
You look like you want to go lock up in there for people. Look so, you know? Police, roll on pan him.
That is after secure my vehicle, you start back, sir. Going boy down, but I'm telling you, you have to secure my vehicle.
All these people here.
What you get all these people here? We is big man.
If I hold the next one again,
You need a big man. You need a big man.
you can't interfere with me.
You're not obstructing officer at all. I want to have to secure my vehicle.
Point.
But I have to secure my vehicle. You have money going on. I saw you just now.
Just now?
Yes, I can tell you that I never said no. I've never said no. I was on the phone. Let me secure my vehicle, man. Let me secure my vehicle. My vehicle idling and open.
I thought I was your vehicle.
Yes, I buy the one. Now I'm doing me embarrassing me.
I'm embarrassing you.
Embarrassing me. But let me just look. I'm willing to go. I'm willing to go. Is in the station we're going.
Sorry.
They tell me I want. Let me go. I'm lock my vehicle and we're going to the station. I'm not lock my vehicle.
I have to put you on effort.
That vehicle is good, no bonnet. Lock the glass. All the doors locked. Let me go in the station. I want to handcuff. I want to handcuff. I don't want to handcuff. Let me go in the station. Have you going to rectify that?
Nobody thinks that's any man people.
So it look like him willing to comply, but it's just that like him want to lock him motor vehicle, you know, want to lock it, want to secure it there.
This is real madness, boy. Don't charge me.
Cannot tell them the encourage people to break the law. So they overriding the mayor.
I explained to you and you didn't want to hear me. Ma'am, people don't absorb the police officer and execution.
They want to charge everybody here for parking up on the stand.
If you have it on video, I hope the sergeant see that I told you in a minute how to give him a document. You asked him for the documents first. So you want to record me, and I did not tell you no. At no time, I told you no. And telling our officer no is an offense. Let me go. I did not tell you no. I hope you can show them that part of the record. I'm going nowhere. I'm going nowhere. I'm going we right. We in we right. It's 20 to 6. You want to give everybody here a ticket?
John is there. And Vance look like you have kick span him in a way.
Now we take it out.
If I comply.
That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do.
Well, they're going to lock them up there. They're going to charge them for us for parking up on the port of Springstown. What should we pack up? We pack up right on the port of Springstown. Right on the port of Springstown. All you could see for all yourself. This is the port of Springstown. He told us we cannot park here. We're not authorized to park here. This is craziness, madness. What should I park? Gonna charge me and Garel for parking here.
You hear the things that the person said in that last section of that video, them people, about the parking and so forth. You hear the things they say? Yeah, you know, yes, when it comes on to the Road Traffic Act within countries out there worldwide, because some countries are different from some. See, there are certain places that you're not supposed to park your motor vehicle, you know. Yeah, and I think the rules somewhat different, whether you're a taxi operator or just a private motor vehicle owner or so forth. So I say, yeah, but one thing though, in my point of view, I see where the man comply with the police, and that is what me talk about in quite a number of videos. You see, if you have a problem with police and the way how them do them work, it's best to comply and then you complain. So I say to you, now some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons talk about why the man had been arrested or detained by the police. So I say, no, if the man got charged by the police, I do not know. I tell you the truth, I don't know, because I didn't get any confirmed information about that. Yes, I say, but if you listen to the video carefully, viewers and subscribers, you might get a good understanding as to why the police held on to that man and why the man had been detained or arrested by the police. Yes, I say, so if the man get charged, I really and truly like to know what kind of charge and get charged between me and you know, but I really like to know. Anyways, someone brought that video to my attention, so I present the video to you so that you can take a look at it and you can tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. So I say, yeah, I'm going to move on to another video. Yeah, I'm just going to move on to another video now. Now, I am going to present a video to you that had been posted on social media. I do not know exactly where and when the video was recorded. Now, based on information that I got about the video and according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the video shows a certain location where criminals were hiding. That's within the vicinity of a police station that is located somewhere out there in the world. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers. And when I say criminals, I'm talking about thieves and persons who are involved in criminal activities. Yes, when I say my people, some people might say bandits. Anyway, so I also got information that would make it seem as if the location was some form of hideout for criminals, you see? But anyways, I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think. You can also tell me where you think the video will be recorded, viewers and subscribers. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Imagine, within FCT territory, Abuja is no longer safe. It's no longer safe, sincerely speaking. Eh? Imagine, Abuja is no longer safe. Oh, at the middle of offices, inside this bush. Eh? Look at where you're seeing this smoke. That's kidnapper hideout. Let's be careful. Kidnappers. Yes. That's their hideout. That's where they just went now. They catch one of them.
One plate of white rice and beans.
This kind is not supposed to happen here. Big police headquarters. Police headquarters.
That's first headquarters. That is first headquarters.
Big police headquarters. Where they see them and they do that rubbish.
Imagine. Yeah?
No, I don't need for put my food for pocket. Now my bag is full. That's my bag. Police. I'm not there here with the kids. I'm not there. I used to be money around
You got the day where my motor got problem here. They will come and see if they want to assist you. Now to come and attack you, let the assistance.
But this is not the only black spot in Abuja. There are so many within.
Between Central Mosque here.
Yes, down.
There are plenty for them.
Even after this.
Maybe they collect one of my man motor. The man just tell the one.
How come you say that clothes? They can't see. They don't see. They don't see kill the person.
Well, my people, me hear about a story where it is said that a criminal was hiding right inside of a police station, you know. Yeah, in plain sight too. Not in no lockup, nor in no jail cell. You see me I say? But that's just a story still, viewers and subscribers, you know. I don't know how true that be. But when you think about it though. Anyways, you know, so come let me hear someone in the video said that one got captured, or the word captured. You see me? I assume that means one of the criminals them. You see me? I say, my people. Anyways, you know what? Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you. You know, those videos have been brought to my attention. I present them to you so that you can take a look at them and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. Happy August 6th to each and every one of my Jamaicans them worldwide. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every Jamaicans worldwide. And big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers. See me I say? Manners and respect. Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it. So let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man.
Hey, yo, Skilla.
You are watching
Dancehall Skilla. 10.